How to share Indeed profile link. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Indeed profile link. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device first, and in the search bar, you need to type indeed.com. This is the official website of Indeed. Once you search for it, you will reach to this page. You are logged into your account using your credentials. Tap on the sign in button at the top and logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this page. Once you are on this page, here at the top, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines and you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to tap on this profile option. You will be taken to your profile page now. In this page, you will not be able to see copy profile link option. Here you will need to select the resume first, tap on your resume, and once you open it, at the top you will find 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots, and from the drop down menu at the bottom, here you will find share a link to my Indeed resume. Tap on this option and then you will be presented with your Indeed resume link. Here you need to tap on this copy link option right here and the link will be copied. Now you can share it to your friends using any social media you are interested in. You may also click on this email link option right here and then send your link to the people via email. You may also tap on this preview in new window to view your resume. From here, you may also download your resume and send it to the person you are willing to. So by following these steps, you should be able to share your Indeed profile link or the resume link. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.